friends. I haven't been putting many videos out lately because it has just been too dang hot here in North Texas to really get out and do much. I did decide though to go ahead and brave it this weekend and get out. I apologize about all these bug sounds. I don't even know if you can hear me over all this racket. But yeah, I took a challenge from my friend over Jason Williams, and he challenged us to camp every month of the year. Well, I told him when I took this challenge that July and August were going to be my hardest months to do this, and boy, I wasn't kidding. But, you know, I've got to do it. I took the challenge, so here I am. But it's only supposed to be like 95 tomorrow instead of 105, so I'll take what I can get. This is probably going to be as cool as it's going to get for the next couple of months. So it's really humid today. It's threatening to rain, but I don't really think it's going to. So I wanted to throw this video up real quick, though. I have a little bit of an announcement. I've been talking to my friend Tom and his wife, and they've been wanting to do a meetup up here in North Texas, probably this fall when it cools off some. We've actually been potentially talking about the end of October, 1st of November, somewhere in there. And I think it's a great idea. I really want to do it. But I wanted to kind of put this out there and get some feedback from you guys. I don't know who might be in the area that time of year. By the area, I mean within a 100-mile radius of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm not sure exactly where yet, but, you know, stay tuned for more details. But I'd really like to hear some input from you guys before we really solidify any real details. There are a couple of different options that I've come up with. We could do something like a state park, maybe a group camping area or something. But everybody would have to pay, obviously, to enter the state park. But the pros to that would be that there would be amenities. There would be plug-ins, you know, water, restrooms, things like that, and security. Another option I thought of was maybe a Corps of Engineers group campground. Again, there would be some cost to it, but not nearly as much as a state park. Again, the positives of a Corps of Engineers would be some amenities, but probably not electricity. So like I said, it would be less of a cost. And then of course the other option would be to do something on BLM land or public land, something free, boondocking kind of an idea. And I do know a couple of places that would suffice for that, but I just need kind of to know how much interest there is out there, how many people might be showing up, so I can get the proper permits and make the proper plans for the group that might be coming. So if this is something that you might be interested in, if you guys want to meet up with us, like I said, this fall, somewhere in the Dallas area, leave your comment below. Feel free also, if you'd rather drop me an email and do it privately, that's fine. My email will be in the description box below. So yeah, just drop me a line. Let me know if you want to come. I think it would be great fun. Like I said, once I kind of know who's coming and how many to expect, then we can start planning more details. So Tom kind of got me pretty excited about it. So yeah, I think it needs to happen. So thanks a lot, Tom, for all your encouragement and everything. I really appreciate it. He's also going to help out on any kind of promoting that we need to do. He has volunteered to maybe do a Facebook page or something like that if we need it. So like I said, stay tuned for more details on all of that. Yeah, that's kind of all I've got for you this evening. I said it is just hot and muggy. I think I'm going to go turn on my sprinkler and get wet. But before I go, I wanted to give a special thank you and shout out to my good friend Dan over at Home in the Sticks. He sent me this cool shirt today, y'all. Isn't that so cute? So I think I might have begged him for one a while back, and I was just very thrilled today when I checked my mail and saw this t-shirt in there. Thank you, Dan. I really appreciate it. If you're not familiar with Dan over at Home in the Sticks, he's got a great channel, y'all. He lives in Mississippi on a bunch of land. He's got a lot of gardening going on. He grows a lot of his own food, and he shows all the struggles with that, with the heat they've been having this summer. He's got some awesome animals. He's got some chickens and some goats. So he's always doing something over there at his Home in the Sticks. He's always got something going on. So if you want a fun channel to watch, something different, definitely hop on over and say hey to Dan for me. He's an awesome guy. And Dan, thanks again for this shirt. It's awesome. Yeah, I sure wouldn't be out here at all if it wasn't for my friend Jason Williams and his little challenge. But anyway, thanks Jason for getting me out. If you don't know who Jason Williams is, he also has a channel that I follow on YouTube. And he lives up in Utah. And in his area, they are battling some horrible wildfires right now. Jason's last couple of videos have just been terrifying. So I'm really hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that his cabin isn't lost in this fire today. The fire is out of control, and yep, I pray for those firefighters out there fighting that fire, man. And I really hope that they are able to contain this madness very quickly. It's growing fast. So hang in there, Jason. Thanks, Dan. Like I said, hopefully I will hear from all of you guys soon, and let's plan a meetup. Y'all stay lost, my friends, and don't forget your sweat rag. Yeah, I really pray for the wild. I'm dripping. So I wanted to just take a minute. Oh yeah, that's going to be really bad, isn't it? Can you see those clouds? Yeah, it's going to be bad. Bad lighting. It's supposed to be turned this way, according to Eric.